Alright, so BP is at $23.87 with a market cap of 80.97 billion. And we're just a little bit down, but we're staying steady in this $20 to $26 range. If you watch my previous videos, analysts called for BP to be at $26. So we're not that far off. In today's news, hydrogen is an important part of BP's future business, says Chief of Staff at Cleantech Forum. So essentially, Dominic Emery, the Chief of Staff, says BP sees hydrogen as an important part of its future business. Whoever can start driving hydrogen price down using whatever technology, it's going to be kind of a winning way. Where you have great storage capacity, where you have very inexpensive natural gas, I think you can see blue hydrogen being successful there. All the price points at this matter will say that generally blue hydrogen is probably cheaper. But with the likely rapid reduction in electrolyzer costs for green hydrogen, and also very rapid reduction in renewable power costs and prices, I think that combination will come together very effectively in certain geographies. So if you remember, I believe my video a long time ago, I talked about a company called Nikola, and if you look them up now, they're a crap company. They scammed, and they pretty much made it, or they faked it until they made it, and now they're struggling. But anyways, they were going to produce a hydrogen electric semi because you can only go so far on electricity. So the option was to introduce hydrogen and essentially go longer distance for semis. And a lot of companies feel that way, that hydrogen is the key, because we just don't have the battery technology. In 10 to 20 years, I wouldn't be surprised if we discover something and battery technology gets there, but it's just not. Hydrogen could fill in place of the electric battery or be coupled with it, and I think that's what BP sees in this. They want to diversify, they want to be zero carbon, and hydrogen is that way. It could be a solid play for them in the future. Let's say that Nikola does become successful and then BP can start providing hydrogen to Nikola. That will boost our stock. No doubt it would, but I don't think it's coming. They were close to, getting established and start offering a semi, but yeah, just do your own research on Nikola and you'll see where it was a dumpster fire and how they scammed people, and but I kind of like that BP is doing this. I just don't think it will be any solid reward for us in the near future, unless somebody came along like Tesla and said, hey, we're gonna start offering hydrogen powered semis. But I doubt that's gonna happen. So stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.